Hello there, it's me, Christian. I'm on my mission to find the most fuel-efficient driver in the world, and today I'm here in Austria. Somewhere out there, I was told there's a guy called Dominic. I think I'm gonna meet the driver I was searching for right now. Dominic?
Yes?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
He's a truck driver.
Driving fuel efficient, it's very important to look forward.
And a fireman.
The best part is you can help people.
And the ice hockey player. I don't know if this is a good talent for fuel efficient driving, but I will find out.